dur la ja to garam kal dan banaro palpen ba del gwe man lar ke wude me on chega me magwa ka me jek wa wane na la magwa then people will join in ba nang ala dung community chinaro nak now akan naro nak men ngong kon ted kunware jen men ngong UN jen men ngong USA jen men ngong entire world kuma jang ne ke juba kuma mayak na kuma mukus na kuma managat kuma matulwat kuma musul malade nagana na koga na riaz Uganda kuma mata reis matul renal ngode jalle gadung renal Uganda o renal Rwanda chepot but reis mo je support community jang right now dung jang the entire world is talking about Denka bad leadership in Juba. America is talking about Denka bad leadership. UN is talking about Denka bad leadership. UN charai gadung noir, lada noir cheriak. Chen noir jen kumna. Silla ramarai gadung noir. Silla ramarai gadung noir, we mon ke liu, that noir chaduar yar. Lada nudung yang. Men gay nga hanu koñ andi toro koñ mukudu nuara ga tet abanaro nak pipangak abanaro nak pitunja naite mar naite jalkel la olañ ke gar wijwel ke dol nuara dial la general ne ke community ke lewa mana community tet jal na kel maba nuar kuz ga ter lo ba ter kuz ga nuara abaro nak for many years since 2022 up to 2025 I met her. Then I decide that born for social media pay the man born for social media that noir ka tet big jal kan cha na ba ma de jang ete go dung noir malat ka the entire world la dung jang the entire world la gonna do journey. Then now ngonga ka di jang te ga dung wala ma de lat. Nay de cha mo ga sanction ke jang ne. Salva Kiir udubat bra danga na mo kwen la they been sanctioned. The manuel that they destroy the country, they loot the country, they killing children. There is a document that said Denga destroying the country, not Nuer. And the entire world is speaking out loudly about Denga government in Juba. But to my surprise, Ted ga Nuer dega kuz, nezisil duor. Cha Ted nak jang, cha Nuer nak jang. Matega Ted mangain, ala goro kor de yez jang. Chi de yez Nuer. Matega Nuer mangain ma wat di yez jang. Chi de yez Ted. So chawa an du toro kon gatche manyal ga nasar ko an Nuer makop. Bawon the social media that Ted bagamat kan Nuer. And today I'm so proud that Commissioner of Pangak Nuer Gwangwat ngon Nuer Commissioner of Penyakang Chigamat Jalgan Care Latana Dung Nuer Katat. That's Chinabi Yet, Chanabu Kut. No, I don't care. Community commissioner dung kuma dung SPLI dunga riak de community la na dung community cha la na dung SPLA cha la ne dung ayo la ne dung community ko chang bo ko to la na ga community cha na ga SPLA ayo ga SPLA IG. So it is one wonderful thing that Nuar ka ted be jal kel. Mangani jin ted la gol kor be yegi jam. Me jin Nuar ke jin wat be yegi jam. These two communities chaga bu kwot. Chaga bu nak bang. We lost a lot of general. Kam riang mai char kan online. Kam gar we dwell kan online. We lost a lot of people. Cha ne te nywan chaga nak. Ne te bom. Nas too many people. Nas gar we nyagor. Bang. Du na ga je jang changa de go. Na tange nyane. Chika liu bang. Du na ga ke jang. Round the like the test. So it is a good thing to see Commissioner of Pangak and Commissioner of Penyakang County Jelge Kel la Ted Kenwara Ranga Daman. Kajitiaga Charlotte Yene the World Record School by on Sunday. Read your Bible. Men Chara the Bible knock one tiaga do. Cheer the more man Jiran, your neighbor. Love your neighbor. Love your neighbor. Ko make you dwell luang la gar kon bi nang dor neighbors. Me cha dor nang piu anything make you talk ji go work with neighbors. That's why we run from South Sudan and we run to Habaj. Nagana wale ri nuara bogona renal wana Habaj ko Habaj jel la gwan tiagado. We don't go to Congo. We don't go to Bargazal. We don't go to Rwanda. We go to Abaj. Ko jan la gwan tiagado. So gwan tiagata nga enwar. So congratulations. Commissioner of Pangak, Nuara Pangak, Katet Penyakang County. Commissioner of Penyakang County, keep up the good work. Kam Nuar Katet Siladur Chalakal. Not gonna dung jani. Chala no dung Nuare. Chana de mat banga kaini. We cannot be united by Denga and make Nuer a subject when the entire world is keeping their eye on Denga government in Juba. Denga government. We cannot take our eye out from the balls and then create another problem. Gada kalamu kalamata Denga. Alam kulu gada kalam kalamata hukumata Denga. America, UN, the entire world, African Union, IGAD, gada kalamu kalamata hukumata Denga, hukuma al-Shen fi Juba, hukuma al-Maindu Adaf, hukuma al-Maindu Faida, hukuma al-Mabagda Rishil Dola Gadam, hukuma al-Mabagda Rishil Dola Wara, wugab Dola fi Malwait, o gada Sharbak Nas Bagabel. Gada Saddam Shuluk Manwer, Udenga gad fi arad bataw bagar bataw gada lab lungara kulmayam. Denga gada lab wrestling fi Juba. Wrestling kulmayam. Ila Shuluk Manwer sharbago. Ma fi kalamu da Shuluk gada kalamu fi alam. Ma fi kalamu da Nwer gada kalamu. Gada kalamu da hukuma ta Denga al-Shiende. Therefore, what I studied for social media, what I took upon myself, now become a huge thing. Not even Fangak alone. The entire Nuer community, my Chulu community now, they are one people, Philadur Chalakal, or we will keep it like this. No fizzle there, Chakal, no fichul kawi, go, gal rajil, lindo galgat, it will be Chakal Danga. Danga al gadi samam nas, Danga al Shala Radha Chuluk, Danga al gadi Samar Chuluk. No fin weraw into galgat kabir, rajil. Bishakal Denga al gadi samarnas lakin chuluk ma Nuer ma bishakal la an chakal bichuno da Denga yo kan katal Nuer da Denga yo kan katal chuluk adu butana da wat America gadi kalam Denga, Canada gadi kalam Denga, Rome Italy gadi kalam Denga, beta pop fi Rome gadi kalam Denga, UN gadi kalam hukuma da Denga al chende el bekali na de limu Denga yqul na gal de Nuer yo machala. Lo de nuer o mishkila kan UN bogolo. De la de UN, mi nuar jen lariak, de la de UN. UN ma ga ko min de la da America dan nuar jen lariak South Sudan. Dan America ma ga ko, America chedwal gen nuar. But chala da America das a jen lariak. Denga community, my Denga community are the ones supporting this useless government. Supporting this useless government to kill South Sudanese. So Denga community, without support with a Denga community, Salbakir be generun. So melad ge jangal another community, oh, this is the government. No, it's a white community is the one supporting that government. Why are you supporting a very useless government? Why are you supporting a very useless government? A government budun adabs. The government mind to fight that. So I'm so glad here that men get to work with social media and it was one man like me now become a